Or you're going to have to build an ecosystem to deal with the unstructured data,
yes.
right? So you had to build that again. Think about
OCR.
OCR, smart form technology with a workflow tool that brings it in together, cloud basic, connecting into the cognitive services. Those are the kinds of things. And the issue is that the advertisement that we've been giving people has been buy the RPA tool. Yeah. That's not the right message anymore, right? And for those who sell RPA tools, I think it's doing a disservice as well. We need to be selling them on the idea that it's a platform by which you can build off of. It's the same thing with cloud-based services. You can base it in a cloud and have all kinds of connectivity. Using products like Microsoft and Google's and the others that you can base these things in. I think that's a very powerful combination. And we didn't know that 3 and 4 years ago. We just didn't know how to do it.
I guess 3 or 4 years ago is very different when you talk about digital transformation to today. When you talk about, all of that learning is what the industry is learning.
Sure.
It's not just the two of you. I think all of us, including our customers, our partners, they're all learning. But fundamentally, is how you look at technology. I really like the point that you make. Is it's not a tool, and it's re-engineering. And you see both sides today. And this is a very good example of what we are seeing in the market. You really need to think about digital advisor. What is a digital advisor? If you just do what you used to do, then you're not re-engineering. You've got to break down all the process, you have to break down all the barriers, and then, okay, if I have a human or agent or whoever is surfacing that client, what do I need that machine or the person to do? Or a combo of two, because I don't think robot today can totally replace a person, because structure or unstructured, there is a sentiment which we actually analyze. So when you have a sentiment that people are not, you're going back and forth with the same conversation on a chatbot, that's where the human interaction needs to come in. That is where it needs to be smart enough with what is the customer journey that you want to do. And what technology today we're able to get you to what level. Because it's so evolving, and technology will evolve over time, and we'll do better on AI with more data, more machine learning, and we'll be better. But it's to understand what we're trying to achieve, what technology, what culture we're doing. Because unless you actually come into a data-driven organization that you can make decisions out of the data, otherwise you'll be falling back to a human interaction, right? So I think that's really matching up with what you have from an organization point of view to what MVP or a production product you try to achieve, and what phases are you going through with the technology today that you can implement. And I think that will probably get us better time and better value if we have to do the project again. I think that's really what we've been seeing in the market.